Hey, what's up XRP holder? So what's going on? Today video is going to be very special for XRP holder because this video I gonna show you the XRP current situation today going up in upcoming days. What's my prediction? They going up, they give you a good profit, or they are in the loss going down. So absolutely this is very important for everyone to understand. Today are going up or they are falls down in upcoming days. So please don't skip or keep watch this video. Don't skip any second of this video because this is very short important video for you. So before I get started this brand video, I request you my brother to please subscribe our YouTube channel. This is very important for you because this type of informative video I am updating you, I upload at this channel. So keep watch our videos, our latest updates. Please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. This time guys I gonna show you the live chart. This is the chart of XRP current dash. You can see here current chart, and this is the master of crypto mag us. Okay, you can see here. This time if you can see here I gonna explain you the major resistance level as 0 point. You can see here, if you can see here 0.026 exactly. This is the major line. You can see here the major line, as you can see here. This time the major line is 0.026034%, and they go down, fails down at this point. But after this is very less. You can see here just 2 points they can touch at this line, and you can see here this time the resistance level at 0.030. Absolutely this is the midpoint. You can see here. So they jump very highly, my friends. Top resistance, if you can see here, this time the top resistance level as 0.035 US dollar. So exactly they go very fastly up, my friends. Therefore if you can see here, after very bad falls they take a very high jump. This is the formula of every cryptocurrency, especially the crypto market. Every production specialist, you can see here, they use this formula. After very bad falls they take a very high jump. You can see here they very bad falls and they take a very high jump. Exactly. So this time you can see here also they goes down, but in a hope upcoming days they go up like a rocket. So the good time is coming soon. Our target, our highest target as 0.03595 US dollar. Oh my goodness, 0.03 is our target. What you say, they can hit it? I hope they can hit it. My expectation is very good from that because this is very fastest cryptocurrencies. Major support level, if you can see here, 0.024% they're gone up. Congratulations. Sorry, 0.024 US dollar. Okay, and let's go out. Important support level, if you can see here, 0.017 US dollar. So this is gone crazy, my friend. We are going to the moon. Are you ready? XRP holder, they are gone in the moon. Thanks for watching, my friends. I hope you understand to the target as very good, and I hope in upcoming days they're increasing. Now they're going up very fastly. So be well, please don't sell it. Please hold it and wait for a good time. Good time is coming soon. Please like this video if this video informative for you, and subscribe this channel if you need this type more informative videos. Thanks for watching. Laugh is take care.